everyone! Welcome to Imis Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this simple dinner, Italian taste. So let's get started! In this recipe, I only need 2 mozzarella cheese, each weighing 125 grams, 2 tomatoes, washed and sliced, and some basil leaves, and also the seasonings. Slice the mozzarella according to desired thickness. Season the sliced tomatoes with fine salt. In a plate, arrange the sliced mozzarella and also the sliced tomatoes. Arrange them alternately so that they will look nice aesthetically. Season them with crushed dried leaves of oregano, crushed black pepper, and also drizzle them with extra virgin olive oil. Now, let's distribute the basil leaves. Mozzarella and tomato salad is not complete without basil leaves. It's the trademark of tomato and mozzarella salad. Now, the salad is ready. The 3 colors of the Italian flag are present: white, green, and red. Enjoy this salad with your favorite bread.
You know how I eat this? I bite